This is the Bear Grylls survival belt from Gerber. It's a one-size-fits-all belt made of heavy-duty nylon webbing. The buckle twists off to reveal a small, water-resistant compartment that holds a compact fishing kit. On the underside, there's a mirror to signal for help, and on the reverse, there's a small flathead and Phillips driver in case you find yourself in need of tools. Also, there's a hidden zipper compartment to hold the Bear Grylls priorities of survival or matches. This is the Bear Grylls survival belt.
Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the Etekcity water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered fresh water source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.
If you are a seasoned outdoorsman, then you already know that choosing the right equipment is essential when putting your pack together. You will understand the grueling demands of the wilderness, and most of all, you will have a respectful appreciation for nature and know that sometimes your equipment can be the difference between life and death. When the lead engineer of Survival Archery Systems started developing the SAS Tactical Survival Bow, he was already aware of the need for equipment that was properly engineered. Having survived a near-death experience in which his knowledge of the outdoors, together with some well-chosen, critical equipment, had literally saved his life, he set about developing a product for food acquisition that would possibly one day do the same for someone else. Having spent a lifetime growing up in the woods and having spent 15 years as an automotive and petrochemical engineer, he set about developing a set of requirements which encapsulate the 8 critical aspects of a survival bow that you should look for in a premium product. These critical aspects led to a design which was launched after 2 years of development and testing, and now the SAS Tactical Survival Bow is sold to technically demanding people all over the world who understand the need for premium equipment. Packaged bow length is critical to a compact design, and to overcome the need to strap your bow to the outside of your pack, it absolutely must be 21 inches or under when in transport mode. The SAS Tactical Survival Bow comes in at that all-critical length of 21 inches and even fits into most one-day packs. In order to get a bow that does not stack and is still efficient, you need to have the right limb-to-riser ratio as well as the right overall length. Designing a 60-inch longbow with a carefully chosen limb-to-riser ratio gave the SAS Tactical Survival Bow this perfect balance and a bow that does not stack all the way past 31-inch draw. For long-term survival purposes, it is crucial that all working parts of a bow are fully corrosion resistant, and so Survival Archery Systems chose marine-grade materials throughout. The only part of the bow that is not fully corrosion resistant are the all-important high-tensile steel limb-retaining bolts, which were chosen to give an extremely high factor of safety in the field and only require a light layer of animal fat or oil to remain in perfect condition. Durability is key for a survival bow, and so during the development the engineers employed what is called design for infinite life, which basically means that the theoretical design is capable of withstanding 500 million shots at 31-inch draw. Going a step further, some hefty safety factors were added to ensure a super light bow that will last more than a lifetime. Any composite limb with a through hole is prone to cracking around that hole unless it is properly secured using a correctly torqued bolt and washer system. The SAS Tactical Survival Bow makes use of a positive limb retention system to ensure the limbs remain safe and secure in the field. Having a compact bow is important, but having a solution to store your arrows is critical to your choice of a well-rounded product. The patented SAS Tactical Survival Bow is the only bow on the market that allows for a storage solution of arrows inside the riser, and this comes at no additional cost to space. To reduce pack weight and ease of use, a maintenance-free and truly ambidextrous bow that requires no changing of parts are the last two critical aspects of a great survival bow. The SAS Tactical Survival Bow is the only truly ambidextrous survival bow on the market and requires no tools to maintain it or convert it from left to right hand. Simply place an arrow rest on both sides of the riser and swap it between hands.
I want to introduce you to the Bear Grylls Ultimate Pro knife. We've taken the best-selling knife in the world, the Ultimate, and made it better. It's got a hardened, more premium steel, a full tang the whole length of it. And then on the back there's a very efficient built-in carbide sharpener that allows you to sharpen that blade easily when you're in the field. And this time the blade has a full fine blade the whole length of it. The sheath is now streamlined and super tough. And then at the top of the sheath you have the priorities of survival. Just pulls out, you've got all the instructions you need to keep yourself alive. And the fire steel is securely housed upright, ready to allow you to light that tinder easily and quickly, and it's never going to fall out. Then on the base, you've got a very tough pommel, and then the loudest whistle we've ever made. All in all, that's why this is my Ultimate Pro knife, and it's a knife I now use in the field.
The best survival kit is the one you wouldn't think of entering the untamed world without. It's small, compact, easy to use, and multifunctional. It can be taken anywhere. Knowing what this ultra-portable toolkit provides creates peace of mind. Remember, the MS5 is the easiest survival toolkit to carry, and one you'll never want to leave behind. The motion grade MS5 lets you blend in with nature and take advantage of all its beauty. It comes with a world-class water purifier. Explore the entire jungle without losing your sense of direction with the rugged military-style compass that efficiently puts you right on track. Survival requires the right set of tools and skills. With its easy fit blades, magnesium fire starter, folding grill, and flashlight, the MS5 has you covered. Precision and perfection are easily blended. Using premium materials, we have forged life-saving tools, creating a strong yet stylish product. We go above and beyond the contemporary to integrate more usefulness in every product. The MS5 has what you need to survive: a USB charger, SOS GPS tracker, a micro burner, fishing tackle, plus many more essentials.